Jamie, tase somebody and get me a frickin' prosecutor in here. Tase somebody. I want a prosecutor in here right now. Do you understand the difference?
Yes.
All right, what do you want to schedule?
Well, I got some other things going on right now. I'm being held on,
None of that matters to me.
Your Honor, Josh Advocate on behalf of Mr. Todd Young, who's joining us from Wayne County Jail via Zoom. Mr. Young, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Please state your name for the record, sir.
Todd Wilson Young, Jr.
And Your Honor, as stated, date time set for pre-trial, we have reached a resolution in this matter. Plea form has been presented to the court. There are 4 pending misdemeanors in this matter. There's a resisting obstructing a police officer, false report to officers, domestic violence, and an assault matter. My client will be tendering a guilty plea as to the domestic violence charge. The other 3 misdemeanors shall be dismissed.
All right, that's not what the plea agreement says. Plea agreement says count 2 and count 3 would be dismissed. What's count 4?
But I'll also include that. See that on the file.
It's written up on the document, Your Honor. I'm just reading off of it.
And I don't have a file, so I can't confirm what the complaint says.
Give me one. So why don't, since I misstated the plea offer, Your Honor, what has been presented to the court?
I've got a plea agreement that says plea to domestic violence, count 1, 750.812. There's some sentencing recommendations, including a 769.4A, and then dismiss count 2 and 3. You got it?
Yes.
Wonderful.
4 charges.
Hold on a minute. Let's see what the complaint's got. The complaint's got 4 counts. So, Mr. Leckie, you're saying dismiss all?
Yes, sir.
That's fine.
Okay.
All right.
It's still the tendering the guilty plea as to domestic violence. The other 3 charges will be dismissed.
Correct. Correct. All right, Mr. Young, did you discuss your rights with Mr. Hadley?
Yes, I have.
You understand your rights and the options those rights present?
Yes.
Do you understand the possible penalty for the charge of domestic violence?
Yes, I do.
Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily today?
Yes.
Just a correction. On the complaint, count 3 is the domestic violence. So we're going to take a plea to count 3, dismiss counts 1, 2, and 4.
Yeah, apologies for that.
That's all right.
Count 3? What is that? I
Mr.
was
Young?
gonna-
is that
Yes,
you
sir.
talking? Yeah, Mr. Young, the court was just clarifying the charges, or all the 3 charges as we discussed are being dismissed, pleading guilty to domestic violence. The only confusion was as to which one was 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Understand?
No, I really don't understand.
All right, you're going to plead guilty to domestic violence, yes?
Yes, I will.
Okay. All the other charges against you from this incident date would be dismissed. That means
Okay,
an assault and battery, count
Yes.
4, count 2, which is interfering with a crime report, and count
Yeah.
1, which assault, resist, or obstruct attempt of a police officer. So those 3 go down when I take your plea to domestic. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. And you understand the possible penalty for the domestic violence charge?
Yes, I do.
All right. And you understand your rights?
Yes, I do.
All right. Understanding all this, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
On August 19, 2025, were you in the township of Van Buren?
Yes, I was.
And did you lay your hands or put your hands on Alyssa Millspaw without her permission?
Well, I really didn't put my hands on her, but I was defending myself. There was a male there.
Okay,
We
stop
had
right there. Stop right there.
Okay. I'm sorry, sir.
It's okay. If you're certain that you're acting in self-defense, the court is not taking your plea, then we're setting the case for trial.
No.
Wait, what?
Okay, so what he's asking is, on the date and time he stated, Did you make an unwelcome or uncommitted touch?
Yes, I guess so. Yeah, fine.
No, seriously, there's no I guess so. This is either you did or didn't. No one wants you to plead something you didn't do.
Yes. Yes.
This is where we got in the previous time. This is why it was adjourned to this date.
Mr. Young, let's do it this way. Tell me what happened between you and Alyssa on that day.
We were arguing. She ran outside. I sat at the table. I heard voices outside. I opened my front door, walked on the front porch. There was a male out there talking to her. He turned around, acted very violently, grabbed me by my leg, pulled me down my steps. I fell on top of my grill where I burned my arm right here. I have the scars on my arm still. And I got into a fight with him. I chased him down the street.
What about you and Alyssa? What about you and Alyssa?
I saw Alyssa sitting at the corner by the stop sign. I chased the guy down the street, and then I turned to the right where I saw the police officers coming down the street in their car.
Okay, so nothing between you and Alyssa?
No.
Okay, you never threatened her, you never touched her?
I never threatened her at all.
We'll set it for trial.
Mr. Young, you're having a trial.
Mr. Young, you understand that when you set a trial, you have two options. You can set it for a bench trial, which means I would hear the case, I would make all the decisions, or you could set it for a jury trial, which would mean the jury would decide the facts and I would still make the decision based on the law. Do you understand the difference?
Yes.
All right, what do you want to schedule?
Well, I got some other things going on right now. I'm being held on,
None of that matters to me.
Okay.
I just need you to tell me what you want and then we'll figure out when we can do it. You want a bench trial or you want a jury trial?
what's the difference?
I just told you, a bench trial, all the decisions would be made by the judge. Factual decisions like, did you touch her? Did you not touch her? Those would be made by me. Legal decisions, does this law apply or does that law apply? Those would be made by the judge. With a jury trial, the factual decisions are made by the jury, the legal decisions are made by the judge. Understood?
Nope.
I'm not sure it is.
I'd just like to get it over with, honestly.
That doesn't help. Do you understand those options I explained or not?
Yes, I do. I understand.
Okay. Then you need to make a decision. Do you want a bench trial or a jury trial?
A bench trial is fine.
All right. Heather, when can we schedule a bench trial?
The December 3rd date, because Josh is here with us.
You want to do that at
1 o'clock?
11?
Um,
I think that was my today.
what's Josh saying?
He's worried that there'd be too much morning stuff hanging over at 11.
Okay, we can do 1 o'clock.
All right, Mr. Young, December 3rd at 1 p.m.
Okay, thank you.
All right, we'll see you then.
All right.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Mr. Young, hold
hold
on.
on.
Stay where you're at. The attorneys are still talking here.
We've had now, this is about starts out with the exact same issues. We've gone over this, I would say at length, and we're not making any progress. I have reasons to believe maybe Mr. Young is not understanding what the difference between a jury, a bench trial, what his rights are. Because within the past few minutes, obviously, we've had a couple of out faces. I don't know if, again, he's being held at Wayne County, we just go ahead and get a competency evaluation working.
I think that's proper.
All right, I'll order a competency.
Thank you. No, the delay, but I think in this case, it's probably necessary.
All right, Heather, got that?
I got the competency, but what else did he say?
Just order a competency
Okay, thank you.
while he's in custody.
Alrighty.
All right,
All right, Mr. Young, can you go
now
grab,
we're done with you, Mr. Young.
tell the deputy we need Mr. Webster.